Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Silverado 2500 shocks is probably one of the most important upgrades you can make to improve your truck's handling, comfort, and overall performance. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, navigating rough terrain, or simply cruising down the highway, the right shocks can dramatically impact your driving experience, making every journey smoother and more controlled. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect shocks for your Silverado 2500, ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. Number 5. Bilstein 5100 Lift Shocks Kit. These high-performance shocks are designed to enhance your driving experience. They provide superior control and comfort on and off-road. They are perfect for your lifted Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. They're built to handle the extra height and maintain a smooth ride. This kit includes 2 front and 2 rear shocks, providing a complete lift solution. Everything you need for a smoother, more controlled ride. It fits various models and years of Silverado and Sierra HD trucks, from 1999 to 2010. Check the specifications to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. These monotube shocks are built to last, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. Experience the difference that Bilstein quality makes. While professional installation is recommended, these shocks are designed for relatively easy installation. Consult your vehicle's manual and the included instructions. What we like. It's designed for lifted trucks, providing superior performance and durability. If you've modified your truck's suspension, this is a great option for enhanced handling and control. Its high gas pressure ensures a smooth and responsive ride, even on rough terrain. What people say. Replaced all 4 shocks on 2003 Chevy Silverado 3500 service truck that has a service body with a bucket boom lift mounted in the back. Made a huge difference in the way the truck drives and rides. Very easy to install, took me about an hour to change all 4. My truck went from driving like a train on tracks to a very nice, smooth ride. Night and day difference. After installation, the ride improved greatly. It's firm but forgiving. Number 4. Rough Country and 3 Shocks. Experience the ultimate in off-road performance. These shocks are built to withstand even the toughest conditions. It offers superior control and responsiveness on any terrain. Enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride, no matter the challenge. They are designed to perform in extreme temperatures, down to -50 degrees Celsius. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. This keeps them cool under pressure, maintaining consistent damping for superior handling. Experience a significant improvement in ride quality. With a 36 knots tensile strength and a fast-cooling 54 mm shock body, it's built to last. It's engineered for superior durability and reliability. The spring-loaded piston rod seal ensures long-lasting performance and prevents leaks. This means less maintenance and more time on the trail. These shocks are backed by our limited lifetime replacement warranty. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. It offers exceptional performance and durability, even in extreme conditions. If you frequently drive off-road or in harsh environments, this is the perfect choice for reliable handling and a comfortable ride. Its advanced valving system ensures optimal damping in various situations. What people say. Good fit, improved ride quality. Exactly as described, works great. This item fit on my 2500 HD Silverado, 2012. Easy install. Took about 35 minutes per side. Number 3. Bilstein Silverado HD Shocks. Introducing the ultimate shock absorber upgrade for your Silverado HD. These shocks deliver superior performance and a smoother ride. This complete set includes shocks for both the front and rear of your truck, ensuring a balanced and controlled driving experience. Specifically designed for Silverado 2500 3500 HD trucks with a lift, it provides optimal performance and handling. They feature a monotube gas charge design for exceptional longevity, durability, and performance on and off-road. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. You'll be back on the road quickly. Everything you need is in the box, including shock boots and mounting hardware. No extra parts needed. These shocks are built to last, backed by Bilstein's limited lifetime warranty against defects. Drive with confidence. What we like. This offers a balance of performance and convenience. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install shock absorber, this is a great option. The included hardware simplifies installation, saving you time and effort. What people say. So install was a breeze. You need a pair of 21mm to take all of the factory stuff off and a 19mm or 3/4 to put the new fronts on. Install was for me, very straightforward. Everything was very easy to access. The ride is more consistent and precise than the old shocks. These trucks just do not have much up travel in the back. Speed bumps can find the bump stops pretty easily in the stock Rancho configuration, but the new setup has a much more progressive valving, which alleviated this issue for me. As the suspension compresses, there is more resistive force applied. The new shocks bring the boat trailer under control where bouncing turns used to be pretty wild. Number 2. Rancho RS 5000X Silverado shocks. Upgrade your Silverado's ride with the Rancho RS 5000X shock set. These shocks are designed to provide a smooth and controlled ride, enhancing your driving experience. This shock set is specifically designed for 2001 to 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD models. It's a perfect fit for your truck. The set includes both front and rear shocks, ensuring a complete upgrade for your vehicle's suspension. Enjoy a balanced and improved ride. It's compatible with vehicles at factory height or without any front or rear lift. Easy installation for a seamless upgrade. Whether you have a 2WD or 4WD Silverado, this shock set is compatible with both. It's a versatile upgrade for your truck. Everything you need for installation is included in the box. You'll only need to reuse your factory shock mounting bolts. These shocks are protected by Rancho's limited lifetime warranty against defects. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered. Rancho offers a 90-day ride guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Experience the difference for yourself. What we like. It's perfect for those who want a simple upgrade without modifying their truck's suspension. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement that maintains the factory ride quality, this is a great choice. The included hardware and warranty provide peace of mind. What people say. Excellent, better ride and very well made. Easy to install. Easy install, and the ride is great. This is on a 2007 Silverado 2500 HD Classic Duramax with no lift. This is my second set. I installed these on my 2006 Sierra a few years back. Great shocks. Number 1. Bilstein B8 5100 HD shocks. Upgrade your Silverado or Sierra HD suspension with the Bilstein B8 5100 shocks. They're built for superior performance and a smoother ride. This kit includes shocks for both the front and rear of your truck, providing a complete upgrade for improved handling and control. It's specifically engineered for the 2011 to 2019 Silverado and Sierra 2500 and 3500 HD models. Ensure a perfect fit for your truck. Get a noticeable 1.5-inch lift in the front with this kit. This improves ground clearance and enhances the aggressive look of your truck. In the rear, you'll get a lift of between 0 and 1 inch, providing a balanced and leveled stance. Enjoy a smoother, more controlled ride. These shocks are built to last. Experience improved handling, reduced body roll, and a more comfortable ride on any terrain. What we like. It's specifically designed for trucks with a lift kit, providing optimal performance and handling. If you have a lifted truck and want to improve its ride quality, this is the perfect choice. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your modified suspension. What people say. Arrived in great condition, on time, very easy and quick installation. Very good ride on my 2012 GMC Sierra Duramax Diesel 3500 dually 4x4. Packaged very professional, no dents, no damage. Smooth ride, extremely well built and looks great. I've had Bilstein shocks on multiple vehicles and the difference in ride quality compared to OEM has always been night and day for the better. They look good and were easy to install on my stock ride height truck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.